Ginaya ka niya. Ishbel was happily role-playing with her dolls, pretending to be both the mommy and the baby, when she suddenly made the mommy doll shout at the baby doll. Napatingin tuloy ang mommy niya at napaisip, ay, parang ako yun kapag pinapagalitan ko siya. Isa sa mga pinaka-eye-opening na moments bilang magulang ay yung makita mong ginagaya ka ng anak mo habang galit. Masakit, no? Kasi nare-realize mo na hindi lang nila tayo naririnig, pinapanood din nila tayo. At madalas, kung paano tayo mag-react, ayun din ang ginagaya nila. Sabi sa Proverbs 29:11, "Fools give full vent to their rage." Ibig sabihin, walang preno, padalos-dalos, lahat ng galit inilalabas. Pero ang taong may wisdom, marunong magtimpi. Hindi perfect, pero marunong magpigil. Parenting is not only one of the greatest blessings, but also one of the hardest tests of patience. Totoo naman, nakakainit ng ulo minsan, nakakainis, nakakapagod. But we have to remember, the parent's reaction today will shape the child's responses tomorrow. At hindi lang ito tungkol sa parenting, pati sa daily living. Tulad sa workplace, kapag stressed out na tayo, sa friendships kapag may misunderstandings, o kahit sa araw-araw gaya ng traffic at mahabang pila, ang tunay na wisdom ay makikita sa ating self-control, hindi sa pagsabog ng ating emotion. Kaya when we lose it, and we all do, let's be humble enough to apologize to other people we've hurt, and yes, even to our kids if we are parents. Anak, sorry I got mad. Next time I'll do better. That's not a weakness. That's modeling humility. At higit sa lahat, ask God for grace every day. Parenting is not about being perfect, but it's about being present, patient, and prayerful. Let's pray. Lord, teach me to respond with wisdom and calm so that my children will grow up knowing what self-control looks like. May moment ka ba recently na nasigawan mo ang anak mo tapos ginaya ka niya? How can you respond differently next time with wisdom and patience? Kung magalit ang mangmang ay walang pakundangan, ngunit ang matalino'y nagpipigil na ang galit niya'y mahalata. Mga Kawikaan 29:11. This is Felicie Pangilinan Buizan saying, hinay-hinay lang.